Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I am Mahfuzur Rahman, lecturer, Department of ICT. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So today we will discuss a very interesting topic.
Hit Photoshop, then this logo and this appearance will come. After this, opening this window, after that, at your left option you will see some tools. We have 69 tools to discuss about in our books, and this option we have to go to File tab. Just hit the File tab. So we'll show a flyout menu. We'll hit new, then we'll find this dialog box. In this dialog box, you see in the name option it will untitled by default retained, untitled 1. I'm going to remove it and I write the names P1, and you see right behind it we see a lot of settings like preset, customs, width, height, resolution, color mode, and so many things. And after the width we see here some units: inches, pixels, centimeter, millimeters, and I'm going to choose inches for my work. And we have so many units also, you see, picas, columns, points. So now I'm choosing inches. I'm not changing the by default width, it's 7, and height 5, and resolution for 72. I'm just taking the same. If you need a big resolution or some another resolution, so you can change it, but I'm not going to change the resolution. I'm just taking the same 72, and we will see the color mode. In color mode we will see how many options we have: bitmap, grayscale, RGB, CMYK, lab color, and a lot of things. I'm choosing the RGB color because RGB means red, green and blue. For by defaults of any work you can choose. And now I'm going to choose the background content. We have 3 background content: white background and transparent. So for this work I'm going to choose white background. Okay, I'm going to choose white background. Now I am hitting OK tab. You see my canvas is ready. You see here in the corner it's named P1, my file name. Canvas size I choose, and my color mode, it's RGB. You see it's showing at the top of the corner. And now I'm taking a new layer. For new layer, what we have to do, I'm just hit the right new corner, and you will see in the layer options, in that corner I have to see, just hit a new layer options, then the new layer will open here. So right now it's behind by default layer 0, you will see. And now I'm hitting the new layer tab, and this one will open. You see here create a layer 1. So for this option you can create lot of layers. How many layers if you want in your work, you can just change it. Now I'm going to palette option to choose rectangle tool to create a rectangle, and I'm selecting the colors as a red color. So this one, just I am just tap it with my mouse and this color will be selected. So now if I click here, then color picker option will open. I am just selecting green color. So now I am getting the rectangle shapes to make this green color, green shape with the rectangle color. So here the color picker option, so you can choose and change. Now I'm changing the color to red option, so that I'm going to create a new object. So in this option I'm just choosing the elliptical tool to create a circle, because you already know I'm going to create our national flag, so it's red at the middle of the circle. So I can use move tool to just move the position of any object. You see I'm just taking the our red circled option to the perfect position I want to take. So here you can we can add some text also in the horizontal tool type, text tool we can say. So I'm just tapping it with my mouse, and I'm just typing the name national flag. You already understand I'm going to create with my Photoshop tool. Now I'm writing national flag. So you can, if you are going to create any object, so you can just simply tap it and use these shapes. You can create and colors from here, and I'm just repositioning my text tool, text position to the center to. I hope you understand my today's videos and lectures. If you have any confusion or question, please do it at our WhatsApp group, and you can feel free to comment at my videos comment section. Again and again I want to tell you a simple thing. Please stay at home for your family safety. Allah Hafiz. This is Mahfuzur Rahman from Milestone College ICT department.